So you have a Jack Sparrow version of Photoshop and you want to use the new mind-blowing AI feature of Photoshop Generative Fill for free. Calm down, because in this video I'm going to show you how to get it for free, even if you don't have a licensed version of Photoshop. Because why not? Photoshop is expensive. And I will also share some tips and tricks on how to use it efficiently. So first of all, you need an Adobe account. So if you have one, you are good to go. But if you don't have an Adobe account, you have to pay. I'm just joking. If you don't have an account, just head over to this website or click on the link in the video description and create your account. Just add your email address, password and other details and you are good to go. Next, search for firefly.adobe.com or just click on the link in the video's description. Here, sign in with your account you just created. And voila, there it is. So here you can try a lot of AI tool which we will be trying in another video. But in this video, let's focus on Generative Fill. First of all, drag and drop the photo that you want to edit. For example, I want to edit this image. Click on Insert button and brush on the areas that you want to change or edit. Then type in the description of the image you want to create and hit Generate. It will give you 4 options to choose from. Once you are happy with the result, you can download it. However, it will have a watermark on it which you can easily remove with Spot Healing tool in Photoshop. Another amazing feature that Adobe Firefly has is Extend Image, which can extend your image in any direction. However, this feature is not available yet. But I will show you how you can do it with the help of Generative Fill. For that, you need to open your image in Photoshop first, extend the image with Crop tool in Photoshop and then save it. Now drag and drop that image into Generative Fill, brush on the extended area and just click on Generate. It will fill the missing parts of the image. Again, you can download it and remove the watermark in Photoshop. By the way, if you want to learn more about Generative Fill of the Photoshop, you can watch this video. So this is how you can use Generative Fill for free. But there are so many AI tools to explore on Adobe Firefly, which we will be doing in the next videos. So subscribe to the channel, also ring the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching and I'll be catch you in my next video. Till then, peace.